On this video, we're going to talk about muscular strength and flexibility. First, we have the 1 rep max. We're going to be using the bench press and the squat to measure the 1 rep max. So for this protocol, you have to warm up first, around 5-10 minutes. You can use a light load to warm up. The initial weight has to be around the 50 to 70% of perceived capacity. And it is recommended that within 4 sets, you should be able to obtain the 1 rep max. So you want to rest in between 3 to 5 minutes between sets. The 1 rep max, it has to be with proper technique, full range of motion, and unassisted.
It's rolling testing.
And also you can increase the weight by 2.5 to 20 kilos. So depending on the person and at the level they are at, so you can assess that too.
Nice.
Then we have reps to fatigue. This protocol is used for sedentary, adolescents, and older populations. It is around 2 to 10 repetitions. And here you can see the formula to predict the 1 rep max using the reps to fatigue. So where X is going to be the number of reps performed, and you plug the number, so you solve for X. It's pretty much, it's not that complicated. Then we have the push-up assessment. The goal is to perform as many push-ups without rest. The number of repetitions is going to be the score.
3,
And
2,
you
1.
should stop the test when the proper form is not maintained. So you can see here on the table the ranges you have to be at. Also, proper form has to be hands on the shoulder, straight back, head up, elbows fully extended on up position, and the chin has to touch the mat. Then we have flexibility assessments. First, we're gonna have the Canadian trunk forward flexion. For all the assessments, you should start with a 5 to 10 minute aerobic warm-up. So for this one, it's for hamstring and lower back flexibility. The individual has to remove the shoes, sit with the feet flat against box, reach forward, exhale as they reach, and they have to hold for 2 seconds. You want to make sure they lead with both hands, not just one. And also the knees, make sure they don't bend the knees. Then we have the YMCA sit and reach. The same, they have to remove the shoes. You have to place the yardstick on the floor, straight up tape around the 15-inch mark, and place feet on tape edge 10 to 12 inches apart. Exhale as they reach, finger must touch the yardstick, hold for 2 seconds, and lead with both hands. So here on the table you can see the values to assess that. Then we have the chair sit and reach. It's used for older populations. They should be using a chair that is 17 inches in height. They don't have to remove the shoes. One leg has to be extended, dorsiflex. Keep untested leg flat on the floor, and keep head in normal alignment with the back. Finally, we have the Thomas test, which is used for hip flexor flexibility. They have to lie supine, bring one leg to the chest, score as flexible or inflexible, and they have to do it for both legs.
Do the other side.
So for all these tests, you have to do it twice, and you have to take the best value obtained.